Today we're going to review the dead bug series, which is one of my favorite movements for working with the ball. And what I love about working with the ball is that it acts as a magnifying glass. It amplifies the effect of the movement, the stretch, the strengthening move that you do. Plus it also allows you to better see what you're doing and what you can do to get stronger and more flexible. The way we're going to start the dead bug series is that we're going to lie down on your ball. Let's get started. Lift the hips up, place the ball beneath your hips. Have your hands on your hips and start to take your left leg up and down. We call this tabletop leg. We're looking for the shin to be parallel to the floor. Notice how your hips are rocking side to side. And then do the other one, up and down. Notice your hips are moving side to side and let that be okay. So now we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to see if we can keep our belly and our hips relatively still. And that usually isn't that crazy hard, but it does require a bit of attention. And most things that work, that really work when it comes to practice, require your attention. So now, if that went well, we're going to take both legs up and we're going to alternate 1 foot at a time. And the first few are going to be a little bit shaky, and let that be okay. But then after the first few, when you kind of get your bearings and you realize you're not going to fall down, see if you can keep your hips relatively still as your toes touch the floor. Let's get a few more times. So good. Let's bring that down. Now we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to take both legs up, get our balance, and both arms up. And there will be a moment here where you'll feel a little shaky, even if you've done this a zillion times. And then your body will say, hey, you've given me a puzzle, and I'm going to figure it out. And then once more, just like we did before, the left toes will come down, but this time the right arm will go behind you. And then we'll come up. And then the other side. And then we'll come up. And what we're trying to do as we do this dead bug exercise is to keep our hips still, to keep our core, stable, and to give our body a puzzle. And when we give our body a puzzle, the body adapts by getting stronger and more stable. So good. Bring the feet down, bring the arms down, lift the hips, move the ball to the side. That is our foundational dead bug exercise. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.